So the number one thing for YouTube videos is audio. Of course, you have your video, you have your camera, you have your background, tripods and stuff like that. But the number one thing to have good response and good engagement on your YouTube videos is audio. And I know there's a lot of people struggling with equalizing the audio, using effects and all this stuff. And I did do a video on how to enhance your audio for free within Adobe Premiere Pro. But today, I'm gonna show you a paid version. It's not expensive, it's about $80, how to enhance your audio with one button. What's up guys, my name is Edgard B, and in this channel we do tips, tutorials, unboxing and reviews. And today I'm going to show you how to enhance your audio with a paid plugin, but is well worth it. And by the way, this video today is sponsored by Unimule, the creator of Audio Butler, which is the audio plugin that's gonna make your video editing much faster. And we're gonna go to my computer right now and show you how it works. Okay guys, so right now we're at my desktop, my PC, my computer screen, and right now I have a video clip that I already edited, but I took off any enhancements that I did. So right now it's plain. As you see, there's no effects, nothing on the audio. And we're gonna go ahead and play it without any effects, and you're gonna see how the quality is, how everything is like all over the place, and there's no level or no balance between the music and the sound effect and my vocals. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing Kobratech tripod. What's up guys, my name is Edgard B, and in this channel, so as you can see there, everything is all over the place. Can't hear anything. So what we're gonna do is, before anything, this plugin, in order to install it, you're gonna want to go to, and I keep looking at my screen, and because I'm watching it over here, I've still gotta figure out a way of putting my camera in front of me while I'm doing these type of tutorials. It's just a little bit tougher for me because I got this humongous 65-inch screen TV in front of me. So to install the plugin, you're gonna want to go to Edit, Preferences, and you're gonna go to Audio. Oops, I clicked Audio Hardware by mistake, but you're gonna go to Audio, and then right here you see Audio Plugin Manager. You click that and scan for plugins, and they're all gonna come, whatever plugins you have is gonna come out here. Okay, but I've already installed it. Once you do that, you hit OK. It's pretty easy, right? So now you're gonna want to be in your audio tab. So when you go to your audio tab, my first track is my vocal. So we're gonna go ahead and pick here, go down to VST3, go to Tools, Unimule, and you're gonna go ahead and choose the Alex Voice Audio Butler, right? So, and my sound effects are in track 2, VST3, Tools, Unimule, and you're gonna go to Alex Sound Effects Audio Butler. And for the music, you're gonna do the same thing, VST3, Tools, Unimule, and you're gonna go to Alex Music Audio Butler. And for the master track, you're gonna go ahead and go to VST3, Tools, Unimule, Alex Master Audio. Now, in order for this to work, you have to play your clip through so it could analyze the audio and the music and balance it. Okay, so right now you see it says updated analysis 1 minute ago. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and play. You have to play it in order for it to analyze it. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Kobratech Apex A70 tripod. What's up guys, my name is Ed. Okay, and as you can see, as you can listen, it already started doing the analyzation and balancing and all that stuff, but the music could still be a little lower. So what you want to do is open up the music or whichever one that you want to further analyze or further fix. So once you open up, you're gonna have this square, and the first thing you have your target volume. You got 1 all the way up to 5. 1 through 5, and then you have your auto ducking. You got subtle, which during the voice volume of music becomes slightly lower. You have auto ducking medium. During voice, the volume of music becomes a bit lower. Tasteful ducking for many types of video. And then you have contrasting. During the contrasting, the volume of music becomes much lower. Clearly noticeable ducking effect. Let's choose that to see. And it's updating the analysis once you switch. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Kobratech Apex A70 tripod. What's up, guys? My name is Edgard B, and in this channel we do tips, tutorials, unboxing, and reviews like the one we're... Alright, so you hear it automatically lowered the volume down. It's on contrasting and it's on level 4. I mean volume 4, which means it's loud, but with the contrasting option, it lowers the music significantly. All right, so sound effects. We go to sound effects. Same way. You got your subtle, obvious, and off. And then you got your target volume. For subtle, the sound effects become slightly lower, almost unnoticeable, creating room for voice. Let's put that and play it again over where my name comes up, the glitch that has the sound effect. My YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Kobratech Apex A70 tripod. What's up, guys? My name is Edgard B, and in this channel we do tips, tutorials, unboxing. See how easy that is? I mean, it's amazing. Now let's go to voice. You have a couple of options here. You have the constant source for the auto volume. Constant source, what it is for audio that's already that have been mixed. Audio that's been mixed already, you want to go ahead and use that. But most of the time for YouTube videos, the audio is not mixed, so you're going to be wanting to use the varying sources. Okay, this what creates an internal breakpoints to create consistent volume for audio from multiple clips or dynamic speakers. Now your compression, you have your natural, general, and max. All right, max, if you use max, it's gonna sound a little harsh and very loud. Like it says here, it's more for commercials, commercial broadcasting. Then you have your general, which has subtle compressions, increases the intelligibility and consistency for all sources. A small loudness boost with sounding artificial. I use the general option for my vocals, which is subtle compression, increases the intelligibility. All right. Then you have your constant source and your varying sources. Varying sources. You know what I mean. And again, I want to thank Unimule for sending me this product. They did send it to me for free. I did get a serial number for me to register it, and I'm telling you guys, this thing is so amazing. This plugin is the best plugin I've seen. There's others that I've tried, it's more expensive. This is a one-time deal. It's $80, I believe. I'll leave the link in the description, and there's no affiliate link, so I don't make anything, you know, from it, but I was struggling with audio, so this is the perfect thing, and I would like to give tips on fellow YouTubers or fellow startup YouTubers to go ahead and have the perfect audio for their YouTube videos. All right, so let's go ahead and listen to it now complete. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Kobratech Apex A70 tripod. What's up, guys? My name is Edgard B, and in this channel we do tips, tutorials, unboxing, and reviews. Tell me, ain't that the easiest thing? Jesus Christ. And then you have also the master. The master balances out the whole track, the whole video in general. Audio, your sound effects, the music, everything. You have the general compression, you have boost and max. Okay, so general is very light compression. Boost is a medium compression that will bring loud and soft parts closer together, increasing total loudness. Then you have max. I don't use the max. If you have any background noise, it's gonna sound harsh. I don't use the max. The export target, this is very important. You have online, broadcast, and archive. All right, I use the online, which I believe you should use the online because whoever's watching this video is trying to enhance their video, their audio for YouTube videos. So I use the online and leave it at boost, and let's check it out. Channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Kobratech Apex A70 tripod. What's up guys, my name is Edgard B, and in this channel we do tips, tutorials, unboxing. Tell me guys, wasn't that easy? If you guys are interested in this product, just click the link below. Click the link below. Purchase this plugin is only $80. Like I said, I do not get anything from this, and this video was to help my fellow YouTubers, starter YouTubers, to fix their audio without having to go in deep into Adobe Premiere and start learning all these different types of effects that there's a gazillion of them. So I see you guys. Wait a minute. Thank you for watching my video, and if this video was useful to you, please click the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Click the notification bell so you will be notified. Catch you on the next video. Okay, my camera is about to die.